This act that took place last night is something that's totally unusual to us.
Baltimore City Assistant Fire Chief Roman Clark says in his 45 years in the department, he's never seen a situation like the one that unfolded Monday night in Westport.
Someone, sticking or pointing a gun at someone, I believe I would have panicked myself.
It was around 7:30 p.m. Firefighters were cleared from a medical call in the Westport Homes community when a car drove up to Engine 58. The driver, a firefighter EMT, opened the window to see what the person inside the car wanted. Fire officials say that's when the person fired a BB or pellet gun, hitting the driver in the face. A second firefighter EMT got out of the truck to see what was going on and was struck in the arm by the car as it fled the scene.
Last night's incident was absolutely despicable.
Local 734 President Richard Langford, talking to us from a firefighters convention in Canada, says members are assaulted from time to time, but nothing like this. He says more field training is needed to deal with these types of situations.
In my 20 years experience in this department, we've never had an incident of this nature where somebody was shot out with a, toy gun, a BB gun, or anything like that.
It's one of the most disrespectful, silly, and just plain out ridiculous things that I've ever seen.
Mayor Brandon Scott also weighing in on the assault Tuesday, saying the suspect will be caught.
Because they were directly prohibiting folks from going out and doing what they do every day, and that's save lives. And we will go after and find this person and hold this person accountable.
And good news this evening, those two firefighter EMTs are expected to make a full recovery. In the meantime, anyone who knows anything about this assault is asked to call Baltimore City Police as soon as they can, if they, again, do have that information. We're live in Westport tonight. I'm Lowell Melser, WBAL TV 11 News.